Hi guys, today I'm going to be talking about mental health issues. Obviously, mental health issues is a big thing. Like, I've been dealing with mental health issues for 10 years now. And it is a hard thing. Sometimes it can actually stop us living day to day, like every normal person. It's hard sometimes when we're really bad. It's hard for us to get out of bed or talk normally to people. Sometimes it is horrible. It is really horrible. Most of us with mental health issues, we have a mental fight with ourselves just to do the day-to-day things. We fight with ourselves to get out of bed. We fight with ourselves to get out and actually do the things we need to do. And obviously I have my own coping mechanisms. Like, if my depression acts up, I just shut myself away and I draw, or I sing, or I just need that change of scenery. So I get out of my area and I just go somewhere, like, say like I go to Southend or somewhere. I just need a change of complete scenery. Or if my anxiety acts up, then I just sing as much as I can. Obviously, a lot of people don't realise how hard it is for us, how tiring it is for us to have that mental fight every day with ourselves. And I have been seeing a lot of negativity on social media about it, and obviously, yes, some of us need medication to just give us that little of a helping hand through the day. Some of us have to talk to someone, so if that is like counselling or talking to a family member, talking to your husband or wife or whatever. And obviously I've had personal verbal things from my own family that have put me a couple of steps back in my recovery. But I'm personally choosing not to listen to it. My recovery is more important for me and my husband. And obviously I've seen some people post about wanting to do suicide and everything, and my personal views is don't. Like, with my depression, I do have suicidal thoughts, but I would never ever act on it. I choose 2 people from my family to be like my personal gravity. That, with having them 2 people here, is what's keeping me here. Like, I can't personally imagine not being around. And obviously, if any of my viewers have mental health issues, I do want to congratulate how far you have come. It is hard living with mental health issues, and sometimes it does put a strain on personal relationships, like a marriage, boyfriend and girlfriend relationships, friendships, relationships with your family. It does put a strain on it. But if you've been able to live with mental health issues and still keep them relationships, I just want to personally congratulate you, because I personally know how hard it is. And obviously there are people out there who can help, like your GP. You got the Mind charity, that is good. You got counsellors. You can talk to your own personal family or your significant other. I would recommend always chasing up with these avenues of life, so you don't have to struggle alone. There are always other people out there. And I have been thinking about writing a book about living with mental health issues as well, to bring more awareness, and I'm doing this video today to bring more awareness. So if you ever see anyone having a struggling or just a bad day, always just sit down and listen to what they're going through. Don't try and offer an opinion or try and fix their situation for them. Just sit there and listen, because sometimes when someone's having a rough time, that's all that person needs. It's just someone to sit and listen. I think that's going to be all for today. Bye guys.